Bro, I'm still out here waiting, man. I really need this job. So I'm trying to give you the verification you need to know. They still ain't fixed my window. They out here evicting people. They got like 6 people's property out. Nigga, one of them over there. And another one on that side. And I really can't tell you what time I'm gonna be to work today because I got a busted window, exposed house. But I need this job and I want this job. So I don't want to put myself in a position where you don't understand what's going on. And I look like I'm being negligent. So I don't have a police report yet. I'm trying to provide you with as much of an excuse as I can to back up what's going on right now. I can't even clean up the debris and the trash because the police said that they need to get the person bled. And it was in my room too, my bedroom. So the police need to get everything as far as like crime scene information. And since they didn't bust the door, I'm able to unlock and lock the door, but these windows are very fragile. Yeah, and I still gotta wait for the police. I still haven't cleaned up anything. So I'm just touching bases with you. I will have a police number, a police report, or some kind of verification to show that I had a situation that it was out of my control. And I keep in touch with you because I know that it takes me a half hour to get to work and they still hadn't came. And as far as everything is right now, I'm stuck in limbo because I have an unsafe environment. I can't lock up my doors in my bedroom. It still has like one of my TV, my speakers for my studio, and my mic. And this is another spot where the police gotta come because the person tried to flip over the bed and start bleeding. They tried to bust into my closet and start leaking. And I usually have my door locked. They kicked the door in, so I gotta wait for the police.